Hey everyone, today we're fixing a low or broken toilet flange. Or, if you've got a rusty crooked flange like this one here, we're going to show you how to repair it with the OneNDone Toilet Flange Repair Kit. As you can see, this flange is not only rusted, but it's also crooked. The flange is about 3/4 of an inch down in this area and about 1/2 an inch down over here. This is definitely not the ideal toilet sealing situation, but no need to worry as we have an easy solution. Here's what you need for the job: the OneNDone Toilet Flange Repair Kit. This toilet ring seal comes with either reinforced nylon or metal bolts. If you have wood under the toilet flange, you can use the provided toilet screws. However, if you have concrete under the flange, you'll need a hammer drill with a concrete bit. First, if you're installing the flange repair kit in concrete, you'll need to drill 3/16" openings. This step is not needed if you're screwing into a wood subfloor. You can drill new holes or line them up with the openings on your old toilet flange like I'm doing here. Next, use a hammer drill with a concrete bit for anchoring into concrete. Before inserting your anchors, check the concrete drill depth with a toilet screw. You want to make sure your holes are deeper than your screws to ensure a secure fit. Please note that you do not need an additional toilet flange extender, toilet wax ring, or adhesives with this toilet wax ring replacement kit. Now, it's time to install the OneNDone Toilet Repair Flange Kit. The OneNDone Toilet Kit is perfect for both wood and concrete floors. If you're working with a wood subfloor, you'll screw the provided toilet screws through the old flange and into the wood beneath the flange. This is even easier than anchoring into concrete, like we have shown here. Here, I've got a towel to protect the edge of the toilet bowl from chipping. Once the toilet is in place, you can go ahead and remove the towel. One of the great things about the OneNDone Toilet Repair Kit is that the seal is self-adjusting. Watch how it pops right back up when it's removed. This makes the seal reusable, unlike traditional wax rings that leak over time with any toilet or floor movement. Now, align the toilet bolts with the flange and insert them into the openings. Tighten the bolts by hand, then give them about a 1/4 turn past hand tight. Once the toilet is secure, use the included diamond saw to trim the bolts to the correct length. It's quick and easy, just a few seconds, and you're done. Next, place the toilet bolt covers over the bolts. Then lock the toilet bolt caps in place with a simple 1/4 turn. Lastly, reattach the toilet water supply line and turn on the toilet fill valve. Flush the toilet a few times to check for any leaks. Once everything's sealed and working properly, your toilet's good to go. And that's it. The OneNDone Toilet Flange Repair Kit makes it easy to fix a low or broken toilet flange, even on concrete floors. No more messy wax ring for toilet or worrying about toilet leaks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more DIY tips. See you next time. Order yours today. Search online for OneNDone Toilet Flange Repair Kit and order from any of our online retailers. We are here if you have any questions, and we appreciate your support.